guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally giving you guys the much needed nursery reveal slash tour for our baby A, and we are here at her front door. I am not going to be showing my face because your girl's looking mad crusty, so I'm just going to be showing you everything. I will link as much as I can down below where I got everything from. Let's just start by this. So this was actually, this is so ghetto, but it kind of looks cute from far away. This was actually, I made this for Alea's baby shower, and it is just like one of those like cardboard 3D letters from Hobby Lobby. I spray painted it white, and then I just got tissue paper and like scrunched it up and glued it. It's supposed to look like flowers. I don't know, I saw it on Pinterest. Clearly I never finished, but you know, it's whatever. You guys can see it's a letter A. Don't mind the stickers. This used to be Alea's old room. Alright guys, let's go inside. Okay. So, the first thing on the left hand side, as soon as you walk in, we have this wall. I found this on clearance. It was like $10 at Hobby Lobby. It just says adorable. Obviously these ain't my kids. I do plan to put baby girls pictures there, and yeah, so that is as soon as you walk in. And then this is like a quick overview of the whole nursery. Have a little trash can right here. So the first thing is, let's go counterclockwise. All right, so let's start with the baby changing table. So I mentioned this, a lot of these I mentioned in that video where I was, it was like the nursery decor haul. And I got this cubicle at Target, but you can also get it at IKEA. And I also got these little bins. So this bin is filled with diapers, booty cream, and wipies. And then in this bin down here is just a bunch of random stuff. I have some extra crib sheets, and this bag is just stuff to throw in the diaper bag if we ever go anywhere. I got this as a gift for my baby shower. I haven't opened it yet, but I need to organize this. And then some baby clothes, baby toys. When she gets a little bit bigger, she can play while I change her butt. I don't know what to put in these two empty spaces. I'm sure I'll figure it out, but as of now, you know, she doesn't really need much when she's a newborn. So yeah, here is the changing pad. And then here was that pink little vintage mirror, if you guys saw in that nursery decor haul video. It actually fell and cracked. So, sorry, I'm out of breath. Yeah, I need a new one. So that is what's supposed to go here, is a little mirror. And then up here, I got this piece from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off. So cute, and it goes really well with the gray and light pink theme in her nursery. Alright, so this is her crib. This was actually Alea's crib. It was a hand-me-down. Just simple and white. So in here I just have this like portable sleeper thing. Portable infant sleeper. I just put it in here because I didn't know where to put it. It's most likely gonna go in my room, in my bed, so that she can sleep next to me. And I have her gray sheets, a little cute pink plush blankie, and this hula hoop was actually made for me for my baby shower from my best friend. I have two of them. I have this one, it's like a medium size one, then I have a bigger one which is actually in Alea's room, and I do plan to put the baby's name inside, but obviously you guys still don't know the name, so I'm not gonna put it on. So moving along, oh my gosh, yo, your girl's really out of breath. I have this tassel. A lot of these, like, a lot of the stuff in her nursery is like hand-me-downs from Alea. This tassel is actually from Alea's nursery slash her baby shower, and I just held on to it. I kept it, and it still kind of goes with the theme. It's cute. This picture frame I've had since I was a little girl, and growing up I always thought this little girl was me. Clearly that is not me. It's just like an old vintage picture, but whatever. And then I have a picture of Sissy right there. Below her crib I have this cute fluffy pink round rug or shag rug, whatever you want to call it. I got this from Target. Thought it was cute and soft and fluffy. And then here we have the, what are they called? Mamaroo, or I don't know what you call it, but it's a little rocker thing. Is it plugged in? Oh snap, it is plugged in. And it has music you can play, but I'm not gonna do that, so. Okay, so for the curtains, we went with like a very soft gray curtain. We want everything to feel very light and airy in here. The curtain rods, I love them. They're like these cute marbled curtain rod. Really cute, really cute. And then we wanted to have a rocker. I've always wanted a rocker, especially like in Alea's nursery. Just never got one. But we had an extra piece from our sectional, from our living room. So like, might as well just keep it up here. And I just put a little pink pillow, and Alea's been trying to practice her braids on them. Now here, I love this. We are a llama family. We love llamas. We got this llama piece at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I don't even think I paid more than 10 bucks for this. It was like 90% off. So cute. I love it. It goes exactly, fits in this room. I wish I would have got another one so I could put in Alea's room. But yeah, we love llamas here. Okay, so here is her dresser. Now we don't have too much in there. So let's see, in this top drawer, it still looks kind of a mess. So I tried my best to have it organized. In here I have like bows and headbands, things of that sort. She has a lot. And again, a lot of this is hand-me-downs from Alea as well. So cute. And then over here is like the hats. And I showed you guys these in my last video. I love these little like turban headband thingies. She just has her little beanies and stuff in here. Here she has her mittens and baby socks. They are so tiny, like so tiny. And then in this drawer I have her bibs, and I have some of these, what are they called? Gosh, I have pregnancy brain. Her swaddle blankets. Yes. Now in this first drawer, what I did is I organized it from like newborn to 3 to 6 months, 12 months to 18 months. So in here is supposed to be like her newborn, like bottoms. She doesn't really have many. She's just going to be rocking a bunch of onesies, especially because it's still summer out down here in Texas. Just look at this. My cousin got this for her. Be a cute little photo shoot. One of her first photos. It's from Marshall's. This is so cute. And then I just have some spare trash bags and paper towels in case of any messes. But yeah, this one's fairly empty. This next drawer is, I believe, 3 to 6 months. Here it's a little bit more. She has her stockings, onesies, pajamas, leggings. The little, look at these little, these are so cute. Down in this drawer, let's see, these are size, I think 12. There's some 3 to 6, 6 months. I think these are like 6 to 9 months clothing. Actually, this belongs up here, because I will get confused. Okay, there you go. You're right there. So yeah, this is like 6 to 9 months. And then down here is some shoes, some baby shoes. These were Alea's. Some of them were actually gifted to us. I just put them in a bag because I don't know what to do with them yet. Here is like 12-month clothing, 12 to 18 months. These she won't need for a little while. So, but yeah, those are there. Now let's go check out her closet. Ooh, before I show y'all her closet, we got this super dope nightlight. Let me see if it'll turn on. Hold on. Yo, look at this nightlight. This is so cool. I'm gonna link this one down below too. It is just, it changes colors, and whenever there's no light, it triggers on. But I love this, and it lights the room. Like, it's not too bright, but it's just enough like to be able to see her, and we have it right next to her crib. Okay, now for her closet, it is not the most organized. So in here I have most of her newborn onesies. I don't have very many because I don't think she'll really fit in them that long. From what I remember, Alea, she wasn't even born like wearing newborn. She went straight to 3-month clothing because she was a big ass baby. I don't think the baby's gonna need very much because they do grow out of the newborn stage fairly quick. I do want to buy like a set of all white onesies because, you know, they do spit up, they do get dirty, so I do want to have a set of that just for like backups. But there's that. And then Ron actually got these little organizers. He got them after I had already organized her dresser, but I started organizing some of them. So like this is like 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. You guys get the jizz. But oh, look at this, and I got a matching shirt for Alea too. This is so cute. And then back here is a lot of Alea's hand-me-downs, stuff we didn't want to get rid of, or like stuff that was like very memorable outfits for us. Only Ron's side of the family that lives in Bolivia came and brought this, and Alea actually has a bigger size, so they both can match. Cute little winter coat. I don't even think we ever use this for Alea, maybe once, but it is so hot in Houston. We never really have to wear that. Yeah, these were like Alea's little pieces that we're just saving for the baby. I have here, we're stocked up on wipies, diapers. We need to get some more. Don't mind this. This is my quinceañera dress. I just didn't know where to put it. So up here, look, I am Mexican. We don't buy gift bags. We save gift bags. So I have gift bags for days, tissue paper, all of that. So kid got a birthday party, I got you. Baby shower, I got you. I got all the bags. I got some more in there too. So up here, I just have a changing station, extra thingy. I don't know what to do with it just yet. And then behind there is the portable infant sleeper, which is in the crib. That's just the box to save it. Alright, and I know I told you guys I was not going to get in the camera. I'm not going to show you my face because it is early in the morning. I'm looking crusty. But I want to give y'all a quick baby bump. I'm 36 weeks. This is the front view. 36 and a half weeks. There's the panza. I did have a doctor's appointment yesterday, and I am not dilated, 0% effaced. Baby is still a little high up, you can tell. I need her to drop more. And from here on out, it's basically just the waiting game. So she can come any day, any week now. And that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video of her nursery. I just really wanted to get this out the way before she comes, and I never get to show you guys because I know I did promise you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Am I missing something? I think I got this under control, I think, hopefully. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I'm sorry if I feel like I rushed this video. For one, I'm out of breath. It's not much, it's very simple. I mean, baby is just going to be napping here. Probably most of the time she'll be sleeping with us downstairs. Up here maybe to, like, you know, wean her into her crib and play with her up here for a little bit. But for the most part, she'll be with us. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.